Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make pie and start a garden. Let's begin with pie. Making a delicious homemade pie is simpler than you might think. You'll need basic ingredients like flour, cold butter, and your favorite fruit. A good pie starts with a flaky crust, which requires just a few key components. Selecting fresh, seasonal fruit will elevate your pie's flavor significantly. It's a truly rewarding baking project. Once your ingredients are ready, prepare the pie crust dough and chill it for at least 30 minutes. This helps create a flaky texture. Next, roll out the dough to approximately 1/8 of an inch thick, then carefully place it into your pie dish. Fill the crust with your delicious fruit mixture. Bake your pie at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 45 to 60 minutes, or until golden brown and bubbly. Now, let's shift our focus to creating a lovely garden. Starting a garden can be incredibly fulfilling. First, choose a sunny location that receives a minimum of 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. It's crucial to select plants that thrive in your specific climate and soil conditions. Prepare your garden bed by clearing weeds and enriching the soil with nutrient-rich compost. Begin with simple plants for an easy start. To ensure your garden flourishes, consistent care is key. Water your plants regularly, particularly during dry spells, aiming for about 1 inch of water per week. Fertilize your garden every 4 to 6 weeks to provide essential nutrients for robust growth. Employ natural methods to protect your plants from common pests. Finally, harvest your vegetables and flowers frequently. This encourages them to produce even more.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.